English Learning Network.
Past tense conversation.
It was freezing outside today. I almost slipped on the ice while walking here.
I know. I nearly fell too. I had to take tiny steps to stay balanced. Did you bring your winter coat? You look so cold.
Yeah, I wore my thick coat, but the wind cut right through it. I should have grabbed a scarf too. How was your walk here?
It was fine, but I stopped by the park first. I saw kids building a snowman and throwing snowballs. They seemed so happy despite the cold.
Oh, that sounds fun. I haven't built a snowman in years. Did you take any pictures?
I did. See? The snowman turned out pretty good, actually.
Ah, that's adorable. I just stayed indoors this morning. I made hot chocolate and watched a movie.
Nice choice. What did you watch?
The Holiday. It felt perfect for a day like this. Have you seen it?
Yes, I watched it last winter. I loved that movie. It made me feel like planning a holiday myself.
Same. I miss traveling. Last winter we went skiing in the mountains. It was amazing.
That sounds incredible. I just stayed home last year and relaxed, but I enjoyed it, honestly.
Do you have any plans for the new year?
That's a great idea. I'm thinking about taking up cooking. My meals could use an upgrade, honestly.
You'll have to share some recipes once you get good at it. I'll gladly be your taste tester.
Deal. Well, I'm glad we caught up today. This was the perfect way to escape the cold for a bit.
Agreed. Let's do this again soon. Maybe next time with some hot chocolate and marshmallows.
Sounds perfect. Stay warm, Ruby.
You too, Lucas. See you soon.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.